Ayan, ito mga malalaki. Itong mga
Oh,
malalaki.
sorry. I'm sorry. I don't understand your language because I'm Arab. Oh, sorry. How about English? Actually,
Ayan, Englishin mo.
I'm
Duduguin ko
sorry
yung...
to... Automatic na nagta-translate yung ano eh.
Apat, di ba?
Oh, I'm sorry, my friend.
O, tama na to. Strawberry, ayaw mo?
But thank you for
Kahit
coming.
isa lang para sa'yo, ha?
For what?
Strawberry, para sa'yo.
Strawberry?
Oo.
It's so sour.
O, ito, masarap din to, cherry, o ayaw mo?
Where?
Maalam kasi, mahal naman.
The fruits is very expensive here. Look at the fruits. One packet of strawberry is
Sabi,
$95.
ganito kami, $10.
Oh my God.
Ay, may magba ako.
Nowadays,